I believe Brilion has got a great UI and UX, which is a great user interface, great user experience. I think that's paramount to the success of any business if you have a good software system, which comes naturally easy to the number of users in a company. For us, like we have a big management team, and everybody has been given assigned certain tasks. So the way the flow goes into when you log into the system, how do you check the daily sales, to the customer ratings, the number of bookings you get in a day, how do you download a lot of reports, it's very easy, it's very intuitive. And so far I haven't experienced any issues myself, which has led to any ambiguity. So I think it's a great system, and it makes our life very easy, especially in a day-to-day tasks. We're a commercial cleaning company, and we also cater to a lot of residential customers. On top of that, we're doing a lot of marble services as well. So it perfectly fits to our current business objectives. What I really like about Brilion is that it has a great appetite for horizontally integrated products. So as you know, service industry, you would always want to expand into different fields, which can be horizontally linked, because the same customers might be interested in using different services like pet grooming, like yoga, something else. So I'm really glad that Brilion has all those features already within them. So it makes it easier for a company like us, which is ambitious, and we've got plans to expand. So I think that's going to make life very easy for us, working with these guys. We're using Brilion right now for our commercial and residential and marble polishing services. What I'm really happy about Brilion is, and I believe it's a very expansive system. They have a lot of services which will help us in future if we are horizontally expanding, like pet grooming, yoga. So it makes it easier for a company like us, which is ambitious, and we want to offer way more services to our existing clients, because we're serving a lot of clients and they might require a lot of services. So all that is already in Brilion, makes it life very easier for us. You see this world has become very dynamic, it's very digital savvy. So gone are the days when you're manually sending invoices, or customers are calling you. So with Brilion, we're able to fully automate the whole process. We don't have to call the customers. You book the customer. If he's a regular monthly customer, the system automatically generates the invoice, emails, SMSs to them, and there's an online link, and we're good to go. So basically, it's a fully automated system, irrespective of the client, whether it's a daily, weekly, or monthly, or say quarterly customer. You just fill in those required fields, and the system would automatically detect and send out the invoices accordingly. So that works perfectly for us. I believe any good system has to have a very strong automation and notification system. Whether it's to your customers, to your employees, like cleaners and drivers in our case. I guess if you don't have a stable system, it can create a lot of ambiguity. So for instance, our customers, if they're not active, we're able to send them notifications to revive the relationship, whether it's through offers or any special promotions. Same goes for cleaners and maids, because it's a dynamic business. You have to make new bookings, update, modify. So notifications are essential for them to be updated with regards to the new jobs. Absolutely, I recommend Brilion to any of my industry peers. I think it's a great system. It's got great user interface, great user experience. It's very easy to use. It's intuitive. It's got a great marketing automation setup inside it, and I think it makes life very easy for us, and to help us to optimize the business on a day-to-day basis, keep track of reports and everything. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend it.